Imagine if our primordial Earth underwent a dramatic shift, its fiery heart cooling until the core ran cold. What transformations would unfold? In this alternate world, microscopic life thrives against all odds, setting the stage for unexpected tales of survival. Icy spires and cryogeysers punctuate its surface, hinting at the hidden forces at play beneath the frost. In shallow waters, crustaceans farm bacteria on the burgeoning pillars of salt crystals. In this serene aquatic world, survival hinges on such delicate symbioses where even the smallest beings play monumental roles. From the cascades of isolated oases to the very fabric of life, Cold Core invites you to witness the resilience of nature. Subscribe to Imagine If and explore the depths of a world reimagined. Your next journey through the wonders of the unexpected begins with a click.